your tomatoes into 1/4-inch rounds and then season your tomatoes generously with salt. Don't be shy, they're tomatoes, they can take it. Tomato, dredge it in your flour, give it a shake. Dunk it in your buttermilk, and then press it into your corn flour. Grease is at 350 degrees. Gently drop your tomatoes in there, and we're going to fry them until they are crispy, golden brown, and floating. When your tomatoes are done, place them on a wire rack to drain. Immediately hit them with a little salt. They're like potato chips. You can't eat just one. Preheat your oven to 425. 2 yellow squash, 2 zucchini. Chopped up into wedges. Olive oil, black pepper, about 2 teaspoons of dill, teaspoon of salt. Crack 3 eggs. Garlic powder, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning. Freshly grated Parmesan. You're going to take your squash and your zucchinis, dip it in the egg, throw it in the breadcrumbs. You're going to bake these for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Zucchini squash fries. Yellow squash baked in the oven with Parmesan cheese, a little garlic salt, ground black pepper, 20 minutes to golden goodness. Preheat your oven to 425. 3 to 4 yellow squash. And season with garlic salt and ground black pepper. Freshly grated Parmesan on the squash. Everybody gets a generous amount. Drizzle of olive oil on the squash. And into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. A bundle of asparagus, cut their bottoms off. Drizzle olive oil, a generous amount. Sprinkle a generous amount of pink Himalayan salt. Sprinkle some ground white pepper. Add a little dill to the asparagus. Freshly grated Parmesan. Bake at 400 for 18 to 20 minutes. It's so good. Peel your potatoes, slice your cabbage, roughly chop your bacon, and we're going to cook until crisp. To the same pan, leave about a tablespoon of the bacon grease, 3 tablespoons of butter. To the melted butter, add the diced onion. Potatoes, drained, back to the pot, 1 stick of melted butter, a little pepper, salt, and 1/3 cup of half and half. When your onions look like this, we're going to add that head of cabbage, a little black pepper, a little sea salt. Cook this until your cabbage is wilted. To your mashed potatoes, you're going to take your onion and your cabbage. You're going to put it in there. And you're going to gently fold it. Then, you're going to add the bacon. It's bacon and cabbage belong together. Fold that in too. Let's add some additional melted butter to the top. Look at that. 1/2 pound of fresh okra, 2 green tomatoes, and 1/2 white onion that's been finely diced. And then add all your vegetables to a big old bowl. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Tony's Creole seasoning. 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, no shell, 4 to 5 dashes of your favorite hot sauce or so. And then you give it a whisk to combine it all. You're going to add the wet to the dry, and you're going to mix till it's just combined. Heat up 2 cups of vegetable oil over medium-high heat to 375 degrees. When your grease is hot, scoop, plop, smoosh, and you're going to fry these until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. Get them fried. Drain them on paper towels. Hit them with some kosher salt. It's fried okra and green tomato cornbread fritters. So good. Slice your zucchini super thin. Thinly slice 1/2 of a purple onion, 3 garlic cloves, some basil. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, flour, cornmeal, half a teaspoon dried oregano, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of olive oil, half a cup of water, your minced garlic, and your chopped basil. Pour the mixture into your prepared baking dish and sprinkle with your Parmesan cheese, covering the whole thing. 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, just on the top. Now you're going to bake it at 350 until golden brown. Zucchini Scarpaccia, or a tart if you will. Yellow potatoes, about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil. Let it heat up. Now let's season the potatoes. Sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, little cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, ground black pepper. Add your garlic, your onion, and some of the green onions. Add your potatoes. And then you're just going to let these cook and fry for about 30 to 35 minutes until they are golden brown and crispy. About 20 minutes in, give your potatoes a flip. Remove your potatoes from the grease, drain on a paper towel, garnish with the green onion. A pound of green beans, trim their ends. A large pot of water over medium-high heat, and you're going to bring it to a rapid boil. Now add your green beans, and you're going to boil them for 2 minutes until they're bright green. Set timer. After 2 minutes, remove your green beans and immediately plunge them into an ice bath. 2 cups of vegetable oil over medium heat. Heat it up to 350 degrees. Set up your dredging station. 1 egg beaten up, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Add your green beans to your hot oil in batches, and you're going to fry 3 to 5 minutes or until they are deep golden brown. When they're done, you're going to place them on paper towels to drain. Pan them with some kosher salt. Get to frying. Just like that. They're so good. 6 potatoes. Add them to a pot of cold water over medium heat. And 1 tablespoon of the Norse chicken bouillon. You're going to boil these potatoes until they are fork tender. 12 ounces of bacon. Roughly chopped. And then fry it till it's crispy. Drain your potatoes. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and ranch seasoning. 1 teaspoon each. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. 1 stick of unsalted butter. 1 cup of shredded cheddar. 2/3 cups of sour cream. 1/2 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And 1/2 cup of that bacon. Reserve the rest for the top. Then take a fork and you're going to gently fold and gently mash. We're not making mashed potato casserole. We're making baked potato casserole. So you want it chunky. Prepare a 9x13 baking dish. Spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. And then add your potato mixture and spread it out. And we're going to top it with the remainder of the bacon. 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Just do the top. Now you're going to bake it for 35 minutes at 375 or until the cheese is melted. Leave all of the bacon fat that's rendered in the pan. Don't get rid of it. Add your diced white onion. Add the light green part of the green onion. Add the diced jalapeno. Season with a little salt and a little pepper. Add your corn, and yes, add it frozen. Season this with a little salt and a little pepper. Heavy whipping cream. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar to sweeten the cream. Give this a mix. Turn your heat off and add 4 tablespoons of cold butter. We don't want to break it. We just want to stir it in. We're emulsifying it, making it shiny and creamy because we didn't make a roux for it. Mascarpone cheese. And we're just going to give this a mix. Add 1 cup of grated Parmesan. It's going to help bind everything together. Add that bacon that we cooked. And you're going to leave the rest for garnish. Some of the green onion. Toss that in there. Save some for garnish. Give this a mix. Green onion. And a few jalapenos. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The acorn squash. Cut the top and the bottom off. Cut it in half lengthwise. Scoop out all of the seeds. Then place inside up on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. A generous amount of olive oil to keep it from burning in the oven. Now roast it at 350 for 35 minutes. Skin side up. Take your acorn squash out of the oven. Flip them over. Salt them. Pepper them. and add a half a stick of butter to each one. Add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar back in the oven for an additional 30 to 35 minutes. Oven roasted acorn squash with butter and brown sugar. 2 pounds of fresh green beans, rinsed, ends trimmed, and cut in half. Add the beans to the boiling water and cook them for 5 minutes. Immediately plunge your green beans into an ice bath. 1 pound of bacon, roughly chopped, fry till it's all crispy. Remove half the bacon, leave 2 tablespoons of the bacon grease, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add 1 white onion diced, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 8 ounces of portobello mushrooms that have been roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, sprinkle it over your onion mixture, and then you're going to cook and stir continuously for 2 minutes. Whisk in 1 cup of chicken broth, and then whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream. Whisk. Salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. When she's thick and saucy, you're going to add 6 ounces of freshly grated Gouda cheese. And you're going to stir it until it is all melted and incorporated. 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 cup of plain pancos. And you're going to stir and cook this for 2 minutes or until it is all toasty. Add the green beans to the baking dish. Add the mushroom onion mix to the green beans and get all the green beans coated in it. Add the remainder of the bacon to the top of that, the toasted panko, and 6 ounces of French fried onion, just to the top. Now, into the oven at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. Golden brown and bubbly. Best green bean casserole in the world. Y'all better go make it. It's so good.